Understanding inflammation, the silent threat. Inflammation is a natural process that our bodies use to protect themselves. When you get a cut or infection, inflammation helps to fight off invaders and heal the injury. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to a whole host of health problems. This chronic, low-grade inflammation is often called silent inflammation because it may not have obvious symptoms. Over time, chronic inflammation can contribute to serious diseases such as heart disease, cancer, arthritis, and Alzheimer's disease. It's like a fire smoldering inside your body, silently causing damage. That's why it's so important to reduce inflammation and protect your body from its harmful effects. The good news is that simple lifestyle changes, like eating an anti-inflammatory diet, can make a big difference. Carrots to the rescue, a natural inflammation fighter. Believe it or not, the humble carrot can be a powerful ally in the fight against inflammation. These vibrant orange vegetables are packed with nutrients that have anti-inflammatory properties. One of the key players is beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that gives carrots their bright color. Our bodies convert beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is essential for a healthy immune system and helps protect against cell damage. Carrots also contain other antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known for their anti-inflammatory effects, especially for eye health. They help protect your eyes from harmful blue light and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. By incorporating carrots into your diet, you're giving your body a natural boost of these powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, helping to combat inflammation from the inside out. The Nutritional Powerhouse unpacking carrots' benefits. Beyond their anti-inflammatory prowess, carrots are a nutritional powerhouse, offering a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that contribute to overall well-being. They're an excellent source of vitamin A, essential for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. They also provide a good dose of vitamin C, another potent antioxidant that supports the immune system and protects against cellular damage. Furthermore, carrots are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and fiber, which aids digestion, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporating carrots into your diet is like giving your body a natural multivitamin, providing a wide range of nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Section 4. Creative carrot consumption. Easy ways to boost your intake. Adding more carrots to your diet doesn't have to be boring. There are plenty of delicious and easy ways to enjoy this versatile vegetable. Snack on them raw. Baby carrots make a convenient and crunchy snack on the go. You can also slice larger carrots into sticks and pair them with hummus or your favorite dip. Add them to salads, grate them, shave them into ribbons, or chop them into bite-sized pieces to add a pop of color and sweetness to your salads. Incorporate them into cooked dishes. Carrots add sweetness and nutrients to soups, stews, stir-fries, and roasted vegetable medleys. Get juicing. Carrot juice is a refreshing and nutrient-packed way to enjoy the benefits of carrots. With a little creativity, you can easily incorporate more carrots into your daily routine and enjoy their amazing health benefits. Section 5. Beyond the crunch, other anti-inflammatory foods to embrace. While carrots are a great addition to an anti-inflammatory diet, they're even more effective when combined with other nutrient-rich foods. Load up on leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are packed with antioxidants and fiber, which help reduce inflammation. Embrace berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are full of antioxidants called anthocyanins, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Include fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, and other fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body. By incorporating a variety of anti-inflammatory foods into your diet, you'll create a synergistic effect that can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. Section 6. Listen to your body. Embracing a holistic approach to health. Remember that food is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to reducing inflammation and improving your health. In addition to eating a healthy diet, it's essential to manage stress, get enough sleep, and engage in regular physical activity. These lifestyle factors all play a role in inflammation levels and overall well-being. It's also important to listen to your body and pay attention to how different foods make you feel. If you suspect you have a food sensitivity, consider keeping a food journal to track your meals and symptoms. By embracing a holistic approach to health, you can create a lifestyle that supports your body's natural healing abilities and promotes optimal well-being.